I make 50 grand a year just by drinking coffee, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same. The best cup of coffee is one that pays you. You may have heard of this business model before. Affiliate marketing, which is the ability to sell stuff online, is totally pretty much taught wrong by a lot of people. Affiliate marketing can be amazing because you can sell products that you would normally drink or eat or use in real life. As you sell it through promoting your own organic efforts, you can make money. Now, the other catch to this business model is I don't have to keep track of inventory. I don't even have to talk to the customers and customer service. I just have to worry about selling coffee. By selling coffee or tea or any other consumable, it's great because as the consumer buys, if the affiliate program that you sign up for is a lifetime commission, they will come back and buy again and again. Us coffee people, we're addicts. We can't get enough of this stuff. So to you in that business, you can get repeat buyers. So if you were starting from scratch and you wanted to sell coffee or tea online as an affiliate, here's exactly what you would do. Seriously, it takes just 3 steps to do this. The first is to sign up for an affiliate program, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do if you stick around to the end of this video. The next is basically to review the content and create content. That is the nature of the game. That is how the internet works for business today. You create content. It could be all types of content. If you don't want to put your face on a camera and talk like this, or on a photo, that's okay, you don't have to. You can just write. Blogging is content. Video is content, long form, short form, vertical video, TikTok. You pick the best one that works for you. Just know that you're gonna have to do that. And then lastly, you have to publish. And there's a way to publish that tries to maximize the effort that and time you put in creating the content, which again, I'll show you if you stick around. Just 3 things. Let's start with number 1. Go to Google and type in coffee affiliate program. Just by doing that, you're gonna get a list of results with guess what? Affiliate programs of coffee companies you can sign up for. Now right here you can see this is like a listicle, which just by clicking this one link, it says top 10 coffee affiliate programs to wake up your affiliate earnings. I sell lots of coffee and teas. I'm curious if this is going to include any of the ones I've done. Okay, so they got Life Boost Coffee, Koa Coffee, Hawaii Coffee Company I have promoted, Gourmesso, Volcanic Coffee, Bulletproof Coffee, also have done that one, Coffee Wholesale, USA, Cafe Brit, Illy Coffee, and First in Coffee. There's one they're missing here, which I'll recommend for you to start because it is more than coffee. It's also a supplement inside coffee. It's called Chimera Coffee. What makes a good affiliate program? The product, right? The coffee has to taste good if you're gonna promote it. Because if it tastes bad and someone takes your offer and says, yeah, sure, I'll try this coffee you're talking about, and it sucks, they're never gonna trust you again. They'll never buy from you again, and you've pretty much lost that customer forever. But if it's good coffee, and they're like, dude, that's the bomb. Like, I'll get it again and again. And you can make money that way. The affiliate program has to say these words: lifetime commissions. If it does not say that, then that means even if the customer keeps buying again and again, you will not get rewarded for that. I only like to promote offers that have lifetime commission, so I always get credit for future sales of the customer. So this is Chimera Coffee's affiliate program page. You can sign up. Remember, whenever you sign up to be an affiliate, it is always free. If someone is charging you just to sign up to be their affiliate, it's most likely a scam. Generally, when you do sign up to be an affiliate, you get a couple stats, which I'll point them out here for you. So the first one is really how many cookies the window is. Cookies, if you've never heard this concept before, it's the tracking metric of a user when you send someone to a website. 60 days is what Chimera is saying they'll give you credit for a sale. For example, if I basically send you to click on my link and you go to Chimera Coffee and you decide, not today, but then you come back 59 days later and you buy, I'll still make the commission and credit. What's the commission? The base commission is 20%. It doesn't matter, I think, if there's a 5% commission or 90% commission. What matters is basically the average order value. When you drive a user to a website, what is gonna be the average price point they buy? Coffee, obviously it's a lower ticket item, but with Chimera, it can actually add up to hundreds of dollars in one sale because there's supplements inside. So it's a combination of supplement and coffee, and it can work out pretty well. After you sign up, now it's time to review the product. So typically I like trying before I promote. I want to make sure every product I promote with my name on it is good. I don't want to trick people, and I want to approve of it. Next step I'll do is I'll start reviewing it, and then I'll create content, which here's just a couple examples of what I would call good content reviewing the product.
In this review, we're going to look at Chimera Coffee.
This stuff's incredible. I've been drinking it for the past week. As you can tell by the bags, you know, almost being empty actually.
This video, I'm going to talk about Chimera coffee. You're probably thinking, why on earth am I reviewing a coffee on this channel?
All of these examples are people who've reviewed Chimera coffee, posted on the internet. When you sign up to be an affiliate, you usually get permission to use any of the content Chimera has created. And this is where you can get a little creative. You could either create your own Chimera ad, and then you can post that as a YouTube video. You can write about it on a blog, you can post on your blog or Medium. If Chimera is running ads, you could actually take Chimera's ads and launch an ad targeted to people who potentially drink coffee and also like supplements, the combination of both. This is something I've done time and time again. For example, this is my Peak Tea dashboard. I've made over 50 grand selling this tea, and I've never had to create an ad myself. What I'm doing instead is I'm using influencers ads that I have their permission because I'm an affiliate for Peak Tea, and I'm running ads through them to make money. So there's two ways to do this. One is easy, one is harder. The easy one, create a YouTube video. Review Chimera coffee just by posting on the internet. It may show up organically, rank, and you might get clicks, and people may click on your info box to make money. That's awesome. You should do that for pretty much every single product you can sign up to be an affiliate. Why not do that? Or two, if you want to do the harder thing to scale, which is the stage I'm at now, I don't want to make reviews of every single product that I've tested. I promote over 500 different products today, and I do that using ads. It's a lot harder. I cannot teach you that in just one video, but I can point you in the right direction. And that basically is just when you run an ad, the first thing you got to do is just collect an email and think about lead generation. If you have more questions on the ad side of things, you'll want to look into one of my programs called Casa de Brambila. Go to brambilamethod.com/casa if you're interested in learning how I run ads as an affiliate. Nothing like a cup of joe that pays you money. Well, thanks so much for watching. This is Adrian. Peace, God bless. Oh, and also if you want to learn how you can sell products that are potentially even female products, even if you're a dude like me, check this link below, another video that I just made. You'll be pleasantly surprised on the things you can sell. Cheers.